Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back to your online computer class. Hope you all are well and safe at your home. Today we will discuss about chapter 9 Fun with Paints. So let's start our chapter. Everybody knows a computer has a paint program that helps us to make the colorful drawing, and with the help of this paint tool you can make a different type of drawing with different colors. Okay, so first of all, how can you open a paint? For this, first of all, you have to select the start button and then click on the on program and then click on the accessories, and in last you have to press the paint and the paint window will be open. Next topic is parts of a paint window. The first part is paint button. It contains different options to work in paint. Next is quick access toolbar. It contains the buttons which do common tasks. Next is ribbon. The ribbon is made up of tabs, groups and commands. Next is tab. What is tab? The tab contains tools arranged in the different group. Next is drawing a rectangle. How can you draw a rectangle, a circle or a straight line in the paint window? First topic is drawing a rectangle. First of all, you have to click on the Home tab and then click on the rectangle tools in the shape groups and select the any color from the color group. Then move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Then the pointer changes into a plus sign. Now you have to hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse to draw a rectangle. Then in last, release the mouse button when a rectangle is drawn. Okay. Next is drawing a circle. It is just like a drawing a rectangle. First of all, you have to click on the Home tab, then select the oval tool from the shapes and then color of your choice from the color group. Okay, you can click on the size button to select the widths and the select tools. And in last, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area where you want to draw a circle. Then press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw a circle. Okay, next is the drawing a straight line. First of all, you have to click on the Home tab, then click on the line tool in the shape group and select any color from the color group and the line thickness from the size button. Okay, next is erasing a line. How can you erase a line? You can erase a line with the help of eraser tools. First of all, you have to select the eraser tools from the tool group. Then choose the size of the eraser by clicking on the option in size button, and a square will appear in the drawing area. Then hold down the left mouse button, move it on the area you want to erase. Next is selecting the brush tool. How can you select a brush tool? And first of all, you have to click on the brushes tool from the tool group and select any brush type from the option. Then select any color from the color group and move the pointer to the drawing area and press and hold down the left button to the mouse and drag the mouse to draw the different line. Next is filling an object with colors. To fill an object with any color, click on the Fill with Color tools in the Tools group. Select the colors of your choice. If you want to choose red color, blue color, any color, whatever you want. Then move the mouse pointer to the object that you want to fill, and in last click the left mouse button and the color will be filled in the object. So children, you have to practice these all points in your computer and draw a picture with the help of these points. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, Saira.